Hi friends, let's make a new flag mockup effect. First, select the area you want to use by using the lasso tool. Then press Ctrl+J to create a copy of that selection. Next, select the rectangle tool and draw a shape. Use the paint bucket tool to fill it with color. You can choose blue, but add new to fill the color. Now, convert this shape into a smart object. Press it and hold Shapes layer will open. Then go to File, Place Embedded, and insert the image you want to use inside the mockup. Press Ctrl+D, choose Distort, and adjust the corners of the image to match the perspective of the shape. Once it looks good, press Enter to confirm. After that, save your work and make the image a clipping mask to the shape layer. Then go to blending mode and select Multiply. This helps the image blend nicely with the background. Finally, add the text and choose a red for ending text will make it look beautiful. And that's it, your flat mockup effect is ready.